welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing chapter from your storybook, that is Two Black Dogs. So, when opportunity and wealth will beckon, will the family ties hold strong or greed tear them apart? So, in this tale, we are going to talk about the values like brotherhood, love, greed, and magic unfolds as we are going to follow Abdul, Akil, and Akbar. So let's dive into the story of a wise and a wealthy man who lives in the land of Iran. He divides his riches among his three sons, but little did he knew that his legacy will be put to the test. So, for knowing more, let us begin with the chapter very quickly. So, first of all, we have something that is integrated with history over here. So, let's read this box, which says, too much greetings, too much greediness always land in losses. So, we all know that whenever we took the path of greed or whenever we chose greed over loyalty, it always has been a tough one for us, right? It has always been proven to be more harder than the path of loyalty, right? So, that is what they are explaining here. Now, read the given story to learn more about this. So, now they are saying that we have to know more. So, we have to read the story for that, right? Okay. So, as I told you, that this story is about a wise and rich man who used to live in the land of Iran, right? He was having three sons, in which Akbar was the eldest son, Akil was the younger son, and Abdul was the youngest son, right? All the three sons of that old man were very much obedient. Obedient means that they used to follow the rules, right? They used to listen to their father very carefully and follow his instructions, whatever he used to say. So the three sons were very obedient, and the old man loved all the three of his sons equally. Right now, one day, what happened? The old man was feeling very much ill, and he was really sure about the fact that he is not going to live anymore and he will die very soon. Right, so he called his all the three sons to him to talk to him, and he usually said to those three sons that I want to divide all my property or all my cash or all whatever I had amongst three of you, right? So after that, you might not have a quarrel between you and you can live this way, right? After that, what happened? Then the old man has divided his all the money, his all property amongst his three sons in an equal amount, right? He divided all his things equally among his three sons. After that, one day the old man passed away, right? And Akbar was the eldest son who actually took all of his money and set off for a journey. He went out of the country to live. He lived over there, he enjoyed a lot, and when he spent all of his money like water, he came back home just like a beggar, right? After that, what happened? Let's move ahead. So, after that, what happened? Akbar, who was the youngest son, he was still living in his present house, right? He was still living in the old house where his father used to live, right? So, he welcomed his brother wholeheartedly and he wanted his brother to live with him. After that, what happened? Akil, who was the younger brother, he also went to the foreign country. Foreign country means the outer country, other the country which is other to our country that we live in, right? So he also went to a different country. He spent all his money, and then he came back to Akbar, and he also begged in front of him that I have lost all my money and can I live here? Then Abdul was a very much kind-hearted person and he loved his brothers very much. So he welcomed his brothers, both the brothers, with open arms and he told them that this is your house also and you can live here for the time as much as you want. Right? After that, what happened? Let's see. Okay. After that, what happened? Then the all the three brothers decided to live peacefully and happily all together, and they lived in a way so that after for 1 year, right? But after that, what happened once Akbar and Akil said to Abdul that let us move to the another country, right? At that point, Abdul was very much shocked and he was feeling very much hurted that, are you not happy living with me? So Akbar and Akil replied that no doubt we are very happy living with you. But we want to explore the other countries as well. We want to see the other countries as well. So what we are going to do? But Abdul was actually not ready to move to the other country. But after the insistment of both his brothers again and again, Abdul also decided to leave his hometown. Right now, Abdul is also ready to leave the hometown. Then all the three brothers moved to some other country and started living over there. Then one day they were actually walking on the sea. They went to the sea and there they saw a beautiful girl on the seashore, right? She was actually white as snow. Her eyes were blue as the sea and her lips were as red as a rose. And her hair were black as the dark night, right? Now Abdul fell in love with her. He began to come to the sea daily and he used to talk with that lady, with that girl, and they both used to enjoy those talks. After that, so now when Abdul and that girl started to meet daily, then one day suddenly Abdul proposed that girl to get married and the girl agreed with the proposal and she accepted to marry him. Right? After that, they soon got married. She was actually a very kind girl. Then she also decided to take care of Abdul's both the brothers with her great heart. Right? But actually, what happened? Akbar and Akil wanted to usurp. Usurp means they wanted to grasp Abdul's money. The greed in their heart and their mind was very much big that they made a wicked plan to kill Abdul and his wife. And one day when they both were sleeping, as you can see in the picture also, that when they both were sleeping, Abdul Akbar and Akil tied them with the ropes and they threw them, Akbar rolled them in a carpet and they dropped them into the sea, right? Then Akbar and Akil both were glad that they got rid of Abdul and his wife. Now let's see what happened next. So after that, what happened? Because they made a plan to kill Abdul and his wife. But Abdul and his wife did not die because his wife was a fairy. And because she was a fairy, she ordered the ropes to untie with her magic. And she also ordered the carpet to float on the seashore. And they came to the shore safely. Right? Then they reached home and lay down on bed. Both Abdul and his wife did not disclose anything before Abdul's brothers, right? They didn't tell anything to Abdul's brother. But when they woke up, they were surprised to see Abdul and his wife before them. But when next morning, when the two brothers woke up, they were very much shocked to see Abdul and his wife over there. Right now, Abdul was feeling very much hurt and he was very much angry. And he told his wife, let's go back home and talk to them. Right? He said that we will have a face to face conversation. And I want to ask my brothers that why did they do so? Now, let's see what happened again. Now, what happened when Abdul got angry and he said to his brothers and his wife that we should return to the home, they agreed. And then, when they all returned to their hometown, to their home, then Abdul and his wife were very much happy, but Akbar and Atil were really worried that how did they got back alive, right? Because they tried to kill them. They made the wicked plan to kill them, but they were back alive, right? So Abdul's wife thought that Akil and Akbar should be punished of their death, right? What they have done, they should get a punishment of that, right? So, what did his wife do? She changed the two brothers into the two black dogs. And since then, they both were used to guard the homes for the rest of the life. And Abdul and his wife lived their life very peacefully, happily ever after, right? So, now there is a question that who became the two black dogs? Can you answer this question? Absolutely. The two brothers, Akil and Akbar, were turned into the two black dogs, right? So, that was all about the chapter. And so, justice is served as the two black dogs, once greedy brothers, learned the value of loyalty and working hard. So, if you enjoyed this magical tale and morality, do subscribe our channel, like the video and press the bell icon for more captivating content, timeless lessons and magical stories. Thank you so much.